When days feel overwhelming, it is often because everything stays trapped in your head. Thoughts bounce around, unfinished things feel louder at night. End of day reflection is simply a way to move those thoughts out of your head and onto something you can see. In very simple words, this practice helps you close the day before starting the next one. There are three gentle parts to this idea. First, noticing. You calmly notice what actually happened today, not what you wish happened, just what did. Second, releasing. You give your mind permission to stop holding unfinished thoughts overnight by writing them down. Third, guiding. You leave yourself one clear direction for tomorrow so you are not guessing in the morning. For example, if you finish a busy day and immediately go to sleep, your mind keeps replaying everything. But if you write a few honest lines, your brain feels heard. This works because clarity reduces mental noise. When your thoughts are visible, they feel smaller and more manageable. Here's the simple flow we'll follow. First, we write one short line about what mattered today. Next, we write one short line about what felt heavy or unfinished. Finally, we write one gentle focus for tomorrow. If this idea already made you feel a little calmer, that's exactly the point. If you want me to guide you through the full step by step version of this, where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the whole class free for a month using my link below. It continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. Plus, you'll get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including productivity and planning. Before I go, tell me in the comments what usually feels heaviest at the end of your day. Your comments help more beginners discover this video, and I read everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped, feel free to like, share it with someone who ends their days feeling overwhelmed, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.